for the right vehicle? Check out 2018 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, heated steering wheel, power windows, rear window defroster, heated front seats, trip computer, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry. Come see the car for yourself.